Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I bring you the 2019 Ford Ranger Lariat. This is all courtesy of Autofair Ford in Manchester, New Hampshire. I'll leave a link to their website in the description box below, as well as the information of khaque, the salesman that helped me put all this together. This is a pretty much full optioned Ranger, and of course the Ranger itself is a little bit older, but it's very brand new to the United States. This features the 2.3 liter EcoBoost motor that's pulled out of the EcoBoost Mustang, as well as the Ford Focus RS. This here is 2019 Hot Pepper Red Metallic. Technology package, trailer tow package. So this specific one, the base price is $38,385. This one comes to $42,810. Including the Autofair Advantage, it comes to $43,409. That is $500 off the next vehicle discount. Coupons up to $400 off of service and all that. Collision deductible, tire and wheel 1-year warranty, gold rewards, and a full tank of fuel. Rear seat space is very good for this class, I should say. We've got 2 USB charge ports out here in the back, as well as a wall outlet. Your center armrest here doesn't seem to want to come down for me. I'm not going to force it. This is your key here. Very much like the Mustang EcoBoost key. Changed a little bit, of course. Once inside, this is a very nice place to be. Nice metallic gray finish here. Just very well done. Comes to life. This, of course, features the Sync 3 system. And this also has the 10-speed automatic. You really only have one mechanical gauge in the center stack, and that is the speedometer. You do have a radio display that's configurable off to the right, and your vehicle information off to the left, which is configurable with distance to empty, your RPM, and whatnot. Not bad at all for power. I mean, the person who's buying this isn't gonna want, or is not really looking for a sports car feel, but this definitely has enough power to, get up and go, especially with the Turbo 4. Listening to music on the way here, audio system is great. And this is the standard audio equipment. I mean, this is a really, really well done truck. One thing I did notice was the wiper as well as turn signal stalks. They're different from other Ford products. They're different from what's in my ST, which is kind of cool. I mean, they're of course similar, but a couple of little differences, which is kind of unique. It sets the truck apart from the rest of the Ford lineup. Steering wheel has a very nice feel, nice high quality leather, and some stitching on the inside of the rim. Steering itself is nice and light. I mean, it's not the sports car tight steering that you'd expect out of a Miata, but this is very well done for this class. up here, doing 40 miles an hour. Nice cruising speed. Very quiet cabin. Not much NVH. It's very, very nice. As you can hear, it's a nice throaty sound. It really, really sounds great. And while there's not nearly as much turbo whistle as the Raptor that I just reviewed, it does have a little bit of turbo whistle. Honestly, I wish the sun was out a little bit more today, because that hot chili red, oh, it's a really, really nice color. Now that we're moving on these corners here, the steering definitely has a little bit of feedback, driver feedback, and that's something I really like. The steering feel is very nice. Very well done. You don't have paddles behind the wheel, however, you do have a manual shiftability on the side of the gear shifter. The gear shifter itself is wrapped in leather and has a very nice feel. It's very bulky and doesn't feel flimsy at all. Pop the transmission down into sport mode. Holds revs a little bit. This is, now that I have a partnership with Autofair Ford, every car I've driven, I've been impressed by. I haven't driven a Ford that I have not liked. This is a really nice truck. Decent mid-throttle push. brake pedal is very nice. Not a ton of bite right at the top, but as you progressively squeeze it a little bit more, gives you more and more. Try the brakes here. Very nice. Don't mind that sound, that's just the mats that were on the back seat now being on the floor. Alright, so to sum up this truck, it is a really, really nice vehicle. It's, I don't know what else to say. It's just, they did an awesome job with this truck. So thank you so much for watching. This is just the beginning with Autofair Ford. I will have a video on the full Ford lineup coming soon. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned. Have a great day.